Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, it is a part 2. So you saw my video the other day of what I take moto camping. So in today's video, it will be how I pack it on the bike, where everything goes on the bike. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll show you how I pack my 436 kilos of gear onto the bike. Keep watching. Cheers. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is show you how I fit all that stuff into my bike. So side panniers in my top box and into the front. So let's go. Alright, so just to recap what I take, what have I got here? Looks like a lot of gear, but it's not. Got my chair, clothes, all my GoPro recording, all my IT stuff in there, like chargers, my little light there, my Garmin in there, all my toiletries. Over there I've got the saw. In here you've got 2 water bottles, the nighttime bottle. In the grey bag there I've got all my food, my stove, all that sort of stuff for cooking. In the big bag I've got my ground sheet, got my tent, my sleeping bag, my Helinox stretcher, you know, poles, tent pegs, all that sort of stuff in there. So on the bike itself, like I said, I've got a big bike. I'm not too concerned about the weight, whilst it's not overly heavy. I normally use the side panniers, so both side panniers, the top box. I put a lot of my IT gear in here, so the batteries for the GoPro, and I charge them while I'm going along, and the big grey bag goes on the back here. So in my side panniers I normally carry my tools all the time as well, so they're on the bike all the time. So my clothes normally down the bottom, a little bit of cushioning for the other stuff. With my water bottles, normally have two 2-litre water bottles, so I'll put one in either side just to break up the weight, just to distribute it evenly. With my toiletries, they're inside, and all my IT stuff in there as well. So that's basically one side done. So in the other side I'll put my food and cooking equipment in. I'll put my other water in this side as well to even it out. My nighttime bottle, and on top I'll put my chair. I'll also put the saw in there as well. So as you can see, I still have a heap of room left for other stuff. Sometimes I will put in my fishing rod, and again the fishing rod will sit in there nicely, and again there's still a heap of room left in this side, and a heap of room left on the other side. As you can see, I can still fit a heap of gear in there if I need to. So in my top box I normally carry wet weather pants, my insect repellent, water bottle, so I can get quick access to it. Got a first aid kit, a hat, and some poo tickets. And I'll also keep snacks in here as well, with all my GoPro equipment. That just sits in on top and around, so it's nice and neat in the top box. and through the magic of YouTube, it's all strapped down. So a couple of rubber bungee straps to keep it up. Keeps it in place, and it makes a good backrest when you're riding along as well. So that makes it nice and comfortable. So that's the bike all packed. So you know, the side panniers, the top box, bag, all done. Also have the little bag at the top for all my charging stuff. So again, that's it. And like I said before, what you take is a bit dependent on the size of your bike. With the big bike like this, I can take a bit more gear, but I don't think this is too excessive. So you know what I carry, this is what I carry normally. So I'm heading off in about another week and a half on a 5-day trip, and this is what the bike will look like for that trip. So when I get to the campsite, first thing comes off is my bag, and that allows me to set up my tent and everything inside the tent as soon as I get there. Once that's off, I can then access the side panniers and get everything else I need out for there. And that's it. Look, I hope this has helped you gain some sort of understanding on what I carry or how I carry it. First video covers what I carry. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. How good was that new intro at the start as well? A bit flash, wasn't it? So look, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.